if you have a complicated drawing in SolidWorks and you have too many holes, and if you want to delete any holes, even though you can directly go to sketch and delete the hole from here, but there is one more option in surface feature. There is one more surface feature, delete hole. See, simply click delete hole and select the hole. Select the hole, whatever hole you want to delete, just select here, say OK, and see, the hole is going to delete. Edit feature, if you want to add more hole, you can do it, and rest all hole will be there. This is suitable for sometime, because if we don't have proper dimensioning for that, in that case you can use this feature in SolidWorks surface. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.